Hello students, very fresh morning to everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Before we start anything, let's students pray to God. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, start with 3 times Omkara. स्टार्ट गायत्री मंत्र. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Everyone, rub your hands, put it on your face, and slowly open your eyes. Okay, student, now your mind be peaceful and you are ready for study. Pay attention and do work with me. Okay, in last video students we had learned till page number 11. Okay, and in page number 12 everyone write your date and CW beta in your revision sheet. Do work with me beta. राइट नंबर्स नेम, हमें उसका नंबर्स नेम लिखना है ना. लास्ट वीडियो में वी हैड जस्ट टू स्पीक ओनली. ओके, सो विच नंबर इज 37. राइट एंड रीड विथ मी. THIRTY 37. SEVEN 37. 69. SIXTY 60. NINE 9. 90. NINETY 90. 12. TWELVE 12. 20. TWENTY 20. 11. ELEVEN 11. Next is 50. FIFTY 50. Listen student, I mark that many students says 50 का स्पेलिंग FIVETY नहीं बेटा. 5 जो होता है उसी में ऐसा नहीं है, FIFTY. Okay, be careful on the spelling of 50 and 15 also. Some students 15 का स्पेलिंग होता है तो वो क्या करते हैं, FIVE 15 बता देते हैं. FIVETEEN, नोट दिस FIFTEEN 15. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन 75. SEVENTY 75. FIVE. राइट विथ टचिंग द बॉटम लाइन. बॉटम लाइन के टच करते हुए ही आपको नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग से लिखना है. ओके, 55. FIFTY 55. FIVE. Now next one 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO 2. Next one is 85. EIGSTY 85. FIVE. Clear? Next is 100. HUNDRED. 100. Speak and write beta. Write with me. Next one 58. FIFTY 50 EIGST 8. Next one 49. FORTY 49 NINE. FOURTY नहीं, ओके, FORTY 40. Next is 92 NINETY 90 TWO2. Next 39 THIRTY 30 NINE. Okay, done. Now turn your page beta, everyone. Do your work with me, and your work should be neat and clean properly. Listen beta, write your date and CW. Done. Now what is here? Here is a dodging table. डॉडजिंग टेबल किसको कहते हैं? जो पूरा टेबल नहीं होता है, इन बिटवीन ऑफ द टेबल देयर इज सम numbers I have selected. It's called a dodging table. Okay, so how to solve dodging table? Dodging table you can solve if you know the table whole bluntly. अगर आप bluntly टेबल बोल पाते हो तो ही you can do it properly. Okay, चले let's do and make a habit to speak the table daily. Okay, here is your first question. 7 sevens are 7 sevens है तो what should you how can you know? आप कैसे जान पाओगे? Because you have to speak the table of 7 and जब 7 7 जाए at that time you stop and write your answer here. Let's speak with me. Okay, 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7. If you know, listen, if you know fluently so you can write 7 sevens are 49. Okay, if you don't know, so you have to speak the table till 7 sevens are. Okay, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, let's speak the table of 8. कब तक? 8 fives are तक, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 27, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Okay, speak your table properly. Okay, students, now your next table is 6 are. Okay, 6 are 36. But speak table properly. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. Okay, आप अच्छे से बोल पाओगे इसलिए, मीन्स आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाए इसलिए मैं आपको बुलवा रही हूँ. अदरवाइज आई कैन राइट दी होल dodging at a time, but you speak with me for your practice. I am just speaking this table. Okay, here is 7 twos are. How to do? 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. Speak with me beta, everyone. 2 eights are 2, zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16. 3 zeros are 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Now table of 6 till 7. Okay, 6 zeros are 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. Okay, let's move to the next row. 4 zeros are 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Next one. 3 zeros are 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 5 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 4 zeros are 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Okay, now next one. 3 zeros are 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 2 zeros are 0. Listen students, here is also 2 8s and here is also 2 8s. Okay, so I am going to change 6 8s कर दो बेटा. 6 zeros are 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. Next one, 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Now next one is 8. 8 10s are 80. सबको आपको 10s बहुत इजी रहेगा बिकॉज 8 और 10 है. 8 10s are 80. Okay, and if you want to table of 8, speak with me. 8 zeros are 0. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Okay students, so here till a dodging table our work is complete. In next video we will learn the match the following. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye bye beta. Do your work time to time. Okay, and do you know one thing, which festival is coming beta? Our गणेश चतुर्थी our गणेश का बॉर्न डे है ना, गणेश चतुर्थी. ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.